Okay, this is how to engage with styles in Word. Now again, I'm on a Mac, not on a PC, so sorry about that. On the home menu, in the middle of the ribbon is the styles. All right, it may or not look like that depending on whether you've got I'm on a full window, so if you're not on a full window, it won't look quite like this. In your version, down the bottom of the styles, which are in the middle, will be a little arrow. If you click on the arrow, it will pop out what we call the style pane. So I'm going to click on that, which happens for me. You should now have something that looks like this appearing on your screen. It might appear in the middle of your screen, it might appear to one side or the other. You can just move it. If you just pick up that dialog box and move it to the right hand side, it'll appear like this. Now, if I go here and do my random text, you can see here if I do this and make this heading 1, it turns it into heading 1. If I go down to here and turn this into heading 1 down here, and you can see I can do this two different ways. I'm using the ribbon, or I can use over here. Now you'll see here I've got some text that's in heading 1. If I go over here to heading 1, the same for you, there's a little drop down menu there, little drop down arrow, same for you. If I click on that and then I do modify style, I can then have this dialog box will open up for you, and then I can change what it looks like. So I can change, I'm going to change the name of it because I don't want it to be the same as heading 1 because I don't want to change the properties. I want to change, if I want to change the font, let's make it Algerian. Let's change the color, let's make it bright red. Now, you can see here that again for you, it'll be down here, add to template, add to quick style list, order, things like that. Automatically update. Do not add to template. Please never have that clicked. It will change a range of things. It probably won't for you guys because of the way we operate in the school system. But please don't do that because it will change it forever in everything, and then it becomes a nightmare to change your template. And then we click on OK. You'll see now everything that I had selected in heading 1 has changed to that new selection that I've made, and over here it's now got a new one over here. All right, you'll notice that the old heading 1 is not there anymore, so you've got to be conscious of that. However, if I do a new document, heading 1 is back to normal. Okay, so that's how that works. And to create that new document, I did Control N. All right, so this is the document we have now. Now, why do headings matter? All right, well, I'm going to do this here. I'm going to change that to heading 2. I'm going to make this heading 2. The reason why headings work, or why they're good, you can see here now, I can see that that's in the same heading font. I don't want that. I want that to be normal, so I can make it normal, or I can do clear formatting. Okay, we're now going to go to references. So the reference menu on the ribbon, table of contents on the left hand side. I'm going to just click classic, and now you can see here I've got an automatic contents list. It does it automatically for me. Now if I had done, I'm going to Control Z to get rid of that. If I had document 1 up here and I changed that to title, so I'm going over here to change that to title, and then I insert my table of contents. You can see that the title doesn't turn up. It's only the things that are in header. So the things that are in the header will turn up in the table of contents. Now I'm going to make this a bit clearer for you, so I'm going to quickly change this to heading 1. Heading 1A. And I'm going to make that heading 2. All right, now if I come up to my table of contents and I click on it, and it has a little arrow at the top, I can do update table. I update the entire table, and then I click on OK, and you can see here it's actually changed them all. All right, I don't quite know why it's done it in different formatting. Welcome to the world of Word. All right, you can see I've got a glitch here. So for some reason it's picking up that heading, that font, and it shouldn't be. It should be copying the table of contents. So we'll see how we go. But that's the example I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how you can then have your headings and then change them and then they appear up the top. So that's how it works. And that the title is not included.